Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore old YouTube layout. So let's get started. First of all, let me just mention you real quick that you can change your YouTube layout after watching this video. So for that reason, first of all, what you need to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store, search for it and go to this website. And from this website you need to search the extension which is YouTube Redux. Just search for YouTube Redux, search for it, and as you can see we got the YouTube Redux. So we need to go to that extension and you need to add to Chrome. Tap on that option and again tap on the add extension option right over here. Just tap on that and it will take some time to install. As you can see, we have successfully installed the YouTube Redux. So here you can see many options right over here. You can simply go through all of the options, simply just disable and enable if you want. After going through all of these, then you need to again just tap on the extension and tap on the pin icon to pin this YouTube Redux option. All right, after that, when you go to the youtube.com, let's just go to the youtube.com real quick. And as you can see, we have successfully restored the previous or old layout of the YouTube by ourselves with the help of the YouTube Redux extension. So I hope this video might help you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it's worked for you or not. So I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. So have a great day.